Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Mineral water prices are dropping fast in this competitive market. Let's quickly solve for the substitution effect and find our winning answer together right now. The substitution effect specifically describes how consumers react when a product becomes cheaper relative to other goods. Since mineral water is now less expensive, it looks much more attractive to buyers. This price drop induces consumers to substitute away from more expensive drinks and toward mineral water instead. This shift naturally increases the specific amount of mineral water that people want to buy. A price change causes movement along the demand curve. Thus, quantity demanded increases, making option B the only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing demand shifts. Trust the given price change rules for success.